Okay guys, so you want to take your pickle fork, you're going to come in here and you're just going to put a little pressure on it, and you can come in here, finish getting out your castle nut. And you can actually just separate it from the steering knuckle. Welcome back guys to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Today we're back here with the 2004 Toyota Camry, and we're going to go ahead now and install the lower ball joints. So again, these parts are from 1A Auto, not a sponsor, and this one has an R on it for right, and the left one has an L for left, so you want to make sure you put them on properly. So we're going to come over here. See if we can show you guys underneath. So you have 1, 2, 3 fasteners holding it in to your control arm, and then right up top you have your castle nut that's holding it onto your steering knuckle, and all of those are going to be 3/4. So we're going to go ahead and zip those off, and with this one, because we have limited space, we're going to try to get a ratcheting wrench in there and get that off. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and take this cotter pin out, and we have a new one with our part, so we don't care about it. So we're just going to go ahead and cut it, do whatever you need to do. So you're just going to cut it any way you can and get it out. So now we're going to take a ratcheting wrench and we're not going to be able to get that on. Alright guys, so we have a 22mm combination wrench. We're going to use the open end. Come up here to our castle nut, and we already broke it loose. So we're just going to spin it off. And it's gonna get caught, but once we undo this, it'll pop off. So just a little bit. All right, guys. So now we're gonna take a 3/4. Hammer these off. And then you got one more up here, but you might be able to Alright guys, so you can take your 3/4 wrench, come up top with your open end, and then There we go. There's that one. Okay guys, so you want to take your pickle fork. You're gonna come in here and you're just gonna put a little pressure on it. And then you can come in here, finish getting out your castle nut. And you can actually just separate it from the steering knuckle. There we go. If you need a little persuasion, okay guys, so you just pull your Alright guys, after some fighting we got it out. We just took the fork, stuck it under there and pried it out. So there is our old ball joint. Not too bad. Then we compare it to our new one. And yeah, not too bad. Alright guys, so we got it somewhat put back in. So there we go. You want to leave you a little bit of room to get your castle nut back on. Alright. Perfect. So, as you guys can see, we got all new hardware and a cotter pin. Thank you, 1A Auto. Go ahead and get the two on the bottom started. And then we'll go back to this one. And of course it wants to be stubborn. Alright guys, so we just push this down and we got it started. So we're gonna take our wrench, start tightening it in. Coming up top, so it's just a matter of time. I don't know if you guys could see it popping through there. Alright guys, now we got that tight. We're gonna go ahead, throw on our nut. Alright guys, so the bolts connecting to the lower control arm is going to be 55 foot-pounds. So go. And this one, I don't think, yeah, we're not gonna be able to get it. So what we're gonna do is just try to, okay, what we're gonna do is just do it by feel. All right, that's about 55 foot-pounds. All right, there you go. There you go, guys. So these 3 fasteners are gonna be 55 foot-pounds. We got these torqued to spec. We got this one tightened as best we could, approximately. And then your castle nut is at 91 foot-pounds, but obviously we can't get it in there, torque wrench in there either. So we had to guesstimate, got the cotter pin on, and we're good to go. So there you have it, guys. Quick, easy little project for the lower ball joint. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. Also, make sure to hit that bell notification if you would like to be notified when I put out another video. Until next time, guys, have a good one.